Ang message ko naman sa kanyang birthday ay pinost namin doon sa aking social media account sa Facebook. At sinabi ko doon, my warmest wishes for former President Rodrigo Duterte. My warmest birthday wishes for former President Rodrigo Duterte. And I thank him for emphasizing the value of education sa akin. And I thank him as well for teaching me resilience and courage through his exigence. Si PRD kasi very demanding siya as a person, which is good kasi isa yan sa kailangan ng isang leader. Isa yan sa quality na kailangan ng isang leader to make things happen. You have to be very exacting and very demanding, especially sa mga tao na katrabaho mo o kailangan gumalaw para sa trabaho ninyo. And that was his way as well sa amin noong kami ay lumalaki. At nagpapasalamat ako doon dahil natuto ako na maging resilient and brave dahil sa